Hello everyone! Welcome to a new Etendo video. I'm here to guide you through migrating and resolving dependencies of bundles and modules from Nexus to GitHub. We have started publishing packages and modules on GitHub, a change aimed at providing stability and seamless association between packages, bundles, and releases. First, you need to update your settings.gradle file to add the new GitHub repository. You can see this example at the link in the description below. In the Gradle.properties file, we need to configure the GitHub credentials. You can create the token and copy the settings by following the guide linked in the description box below this video. Once all the dependencies are being resolved from GitHub, we can remove the Nexus credentials from the configuration. Next, in the build.gradle file, you must update your Etendo Gradle plugin to version 1.1.0 or later. You can also use latest.release to always get the latest version. To make it work, make sure you have Gradle 7.3.2. In the documentation link, you can see a summary of the bundles and versions that are already published on GitHub. It is important to check which version of core we have installed and see if it is compatible with the version of bundles we are going to migrate to. If it is not, we should upgrade core first. However, in the release notes of each bundle, you will find the list of available versions and a column showing which ones are already published on GitHub. Now let's consider an example case. Originally, Etendo is in version 23.1.0 and has some bundles as dependencies, in this case, financial extensions, sales extensions, and the bundle of translation to Spanish of sales extensions are dependencies in JAR format and the bundles of warehouse extensions in sources format. As you can see, the dependencies are declared as module deps, and also you can find the sources in the modules directory. As we saw in the previous table, financial extensions is compatible for Etendo from version 23.1.4 onwards. Therefore, we are going to update core simply by changing the dependency version. Now we will update the dependencies to the compatible versions. You can also use latest.release to always have the latest features. Although in the future we might release a new version of a bundle that is no longer compatible with your version of Etendo and the compilation will fail. Let's talk about the slight hiccup we faced due to GitHub's lowercase package name policy. We had to refactor the translation modules. So, modules previously ending with the suffix "-es" are now in lowercase. You will have to modify these dependencies. Now, if you have module deps dependencies, we must remove manually the modules with Java packages that include capital letters. Also, in the documentation link, you will find a script to remove all the old dependencies easily. In our case, we will remove warehouse extensions -es. Then run /gradle expand modules to download the new dependencies. As you can see, the same package was downloaded but in lowercase. If your dependencies are declared as implementation, meaning they're in JAR format, just change the uppercase to lowercase. Finally, compile the environment running /gradle update database. Compile complete. Smart build. Remember, this may be a good time to switch to using dependencies in JAR format, as it simplifies the update process and keeps your workspace clean. Simply removing the dependencies from the modules folder and changing module deps to implementation. And that's it. Nexus will still be available until March 2024, giving you plenty of time to complete this transition. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you encounter any issues or need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to our support service through our portal, support.etendo.software. That's all for now. See you in the next video.